Central bank dynamics drive currency markets, a week of rate cut speculations. The dollar saw a slight uptick on Monday amid subdued trading due to a holiday in most major Asian markets, marking the beginning of what could be a significant week. Investors eagerly await U.S. inflation data to gauge the potential timing of Federal Reserve rate cuts. Meanwhile, the euro dipped slightly to $1.0769 after a recent rebound from its 2024 declines, with upcoming Eurozone economic growth data expected to offer fresh insights. In parallel, the pound dipped to $1.2632, while the Japanese yen slightly strengthened against the dollar ahead of the release of U.S. CPI data for January. Shifting expectations regarding central banks' rate cut timelines amid falling inflation drives currency market dynamics. With strong U.S. jobs data reducing expectations of a March Fed rate cut, attention now turns to a potential move in May. The lack of divergence between the Fed and other central banks has kept the dollar range-bound. Analysts are closely watching U.S. core CPI figures for January, expecting a slight uptick. Bank of Italy Governor Fabio Panetta's remarks on potential ECB rate cuts had limited impact on currency and bond markets. In Britain, upcoming inflation and GDP data may influence opinions on when the Bank of England will adjust interest rates. Similarly, developments in the Japanese yen, which weakened following delayed U.S. rate cut expectations, are being monitored closely, with warnings of potential intervention if the dollar/yen exchange rate nears 150. Exchange dollars and more than 30 currencies with us. Register your company at TKambio US and transact with the best exchange rate, backed by Monex US. Subscribe and stay updated with exchange rate news.